From Lamborghini to Rolls, automobile makers do not disappoint when it comes to offering the most luxurious and beautiful cars in the world. The most elegant cars have limited editions, and every few months, a limited edition of a supercar comes up. This video covers the 10 most expensive cars in the world, and you don't want to skip this list. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is a breathtaking marvel, and its $3.5 million price tag is a testament to its exclusivity and brilliance. Pagani has stuck with a single-clutch gearbox because it weighs 40% less than double-clutch gearboxes. Units of the Huayra BC were made, despite the claim by Pagani that the model was limited to 20 units. Later, Pagani unveiled the Huayra Roadster BC and produced 40 units. Handcrafted in Italy, this automotive masterpiece is a symphony of art and engineering. Inside, the cabin is a work of art, with bespoke leather, carbon fiber accents, and intricate detailing. Powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, it produces a thrilling 791 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. What truly sets the Huayra Roadster BC apart, aside from its jaw-dropping speed, is its artisanal craftsmanship. The body is a sculpture in motion, with every inch meticulously designed for both aerodynamic performance and aesthetic elegance. For car enthusiasts with a passion for power and style, the Lamborghini Cen is a dream come true. Priced at a heart-pounding $3.7 million, this electrifying masterpiece embodies the relentless spirit of Lamborghini. Production of the Cen FKP37 is limited to 63 units of the coupe and 19 units of the Roadster, and all have been sold. Under its sleek and aggressive exterior lies a hybrid heart, a V12 engine paired with a supercapacitor system. With a combined output of 819 horsepower, Cen, Lightning in Bolognese, is a name that captures the car's true character. Foremost, its speed, which exceeds 220 miles per hour, 350 kilometers per h. The Cen's design draws inspiration from the iconic Countach, with sharp lines and aerodynamic curves that slice through the air like a bolt of lightning. Owning the Lamborghini Cen isn't just owning a car, it's owning a piece of automotive history and a glimpse into the electrified future of supercars, making it a must-have for any true car aficionado. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus has a price tag of $3.9 million, which is a testament to its unrivaled performance. The Bugatti Chiron is a mid-engine two-seater sports car designed and developed in Germany by Bugatti Engineering GmbH and manufactured in Molsheim, France, by French automobile manufacturer Bugatti Automobiles SAS. The car is named after the Monegasque driver Louis Chiron. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is a rare gem, with only 30 units available worldwide. This automotive legend catapulted into the record books by breaking the 300 miles per hour barrier, setting a mind-boggling speed record. Under its sculpted hood lies a monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, delivering a staggering 1,578 horsepower. The Supersport 300 Plus sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.3 seconds, offering an adrenaline rush like no other. But it's not just about sheer speed, it's also a work of art. Its aerodynamically refined design, with a distinctive long tail and carbon fiber bodywork, ensures stability at dizzying speeds. Inside, the cabin marries luxurious materials with cutting-edge technology, creating an atmosphere of opulence and control. The Lamborghini Veneno is a four-wheeled work of art that commands a breathtaking $4.5 million price tag. It's a road-legal rocket with a heart-stopping design that seems plucked from a futuristic sci-fi movie. The Lamborghini Veneno was produced in a limited run of only 14 units, including 9 coupes and 5 roadsters. The Lamborghini Veneno high-performance sports car was manufactured by the Italian automobile manufacturer, Lamborghini. Based on the Lamborghini Aventador, the Veneno was developed to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. Beneath the aggressive and aerodynamically sculpted body lies a ferocious 6.5-liter Phi-12 engine that produces 740 horsepower, rocketing the Veneno from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. The Veneno is more than a supercar. Its sharp lines, massive rear wing, and striking carbon fiber bodywork make it a rolling piece of art that turns heads and drops jaws wherever it goes. Inside, the cabin is an ode to minimalism, with lightweight materials and racing-inspired features. The Koenigsegg CXR Trava is the epitome of automotive rarity, and its lofty $4.8 million price tag is a testament to its exclusivity and sheer brilliance. Because of the complexity of making the special diamond weave carbon fiber, only 2 units were made, making it one of the rarest vehicles manufactured by Koenigsegg. The Trava's performance is equally mesmerizing. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of over 250 miles per hour. Aside from its breathtaking speed, what truly sets the Trava apart is its unique exterior. Its body is made of a proprietary material called the Koenigsegg proprietary diamond weave. It involves coating carbon fibers with diamond dust, giving the car a shimmering diamond-like finish that is nothing short of mesmerizing. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and racing heritage, with sumptuous leather, high-tech gadgets, and an atmosphere that's as exhilarating as it is opulent. The Bugatti Dvo is a mesmerizing masterpiece with a breathtaking $5.4 million price tag. The car is named after French racing driver Albert Dvo, who raced for Bugatti in the 1920s, winning the Targa Florio race twice. The production of the Dvo is limited to 40 units built at the Bugatti factory. Under the hood, a mighty 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine churns out a heart-pounding 1,479 horsepower, catapulting the Dvo from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. However, what truly distinguishes the Dvo beyond its eye-popping speed is its exceptional design. Every contour, every vent, and every angle has been obsessively fine-tuned for aerodynamic supremacy and ensuring unprecedented agility. Inside, the cabin is a harmonious blend of opulence and high-performance functionality. Sumptuous materials cocoon you in luxury, while cutting-edge technology surrounds you, creating an immersive experience that feels akin to commanding a high-speed spacecraft. The Mercedes Maybach EXO is a true marvel, and its commanding $8 million price tag is a testament to its unparalleled luxury and performance. This bespoke supercar is a meticulously handcrafted masterpiece, powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine, generating a thrilling 690 horsepower that propels it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.4 seconds. The basic materials used in the construction of the EXO's interior are dark and red leather, neoprene, glossy black carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. The EXO's exterior is black with a long hood of 229.7 inches. The Bugatti Cento is an unparalleled masterpiece that commands an astounding $9 million price tag. Crafted with an obsessive attention to detail, with only 10 units ever to be built, the Cento is the kind of car you may never come across in as many lifetimes. The car is a homage to the Bugatti EB 110 and a celebration of the Bugatti Marque's 110th birthday. Nestled beneath its sculpted hood lies a formidable 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine churning out an astonishing 1,577 horsepower, propelling the Cento from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. However, it's not just about raw speed. it's about design finesse. The Centodietti's aerodynamic contours and aggressive lines merge seamlessly with its historical inspiration, creating a striking aesthetic that captures the essence of Bugatti's legacy. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire stands as a pinnacle of automotive luxury and engineering, a true masterpiece on wheels with an astonishing price tag of $18.7 million. This automotive work of art is as exclusive as it is extraordinary, boasting a commanding 479 horsepower engine beneath its striking, one-of-a-kind design. Its name, which translates to the Black Car, is a nod to its sleek, black carbon fiber bodywork, a testament to its rarity and exclusivity, as only one unit was ever produced. The La Voiture Noire seamlessly blends power and aesthetics with a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, propelling it to incredible speed. The Rolls-Royce boat-tail is the pinnacle of automotive opulence, a statement of wealth and exclusivity that comes with a staggering price tag of $28 million. Crafted by the British luxury automaker Rolls-Royce, the boat-tail is a bespoke masterpiece, with only 3 units produced in the world. It has a top speed of 190 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The car is 20 feet long with a double refrigerator that houses the client's favorite vintages. Bottles can be rapidly cooled to precisely 6 degrees, the optimum serving temperature of the preferred vintage. The rear deck houses a generous hosting suite, replete with the highest quality essentials for celebratory occasions and al fresco dining. Thanks for watching. Leave your feedback in the comment section.